Hey everyone, we have a special challenge for you today with 10 mind-boggling geography quiz questions. Grab a pen and paper, or just keep track mentally. Let's dive right in. Which of these mysterious locations has over 400 volcanoes and experiences about 90% of the world's earthquakes? A. Bermuda Triangle. B. Ring of Fire. C. Tonga Trench. Or D. Nazca Lines. And the answer is B. Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire, seismic activity in volcanoes, spans approximately 40,000 kilometers, or 25,000 miles, and runs along the edge of the Pacific Ocean through multiple continents, including South America, North America, Asia, and also Oceania. The region is home to roughly 75% of all active volcanoes on Earth. The high seismic activity is due to the movement and collision of tectonic plates in this area, particularly where the Pacific Plate interacts with other plates. Which of these mysterious places is characterized by a complete absence of sunlight and is found at depths below 1,000 meters in the ocean? A. Tonga Trench. B. Giant craters of Siberia. C. Aphotic Zone. Or D. Bermuda Triangle. And the answer is C. Aphotic Zone. The aphotic zone is deep ocean darkness, and it consists of many organisms that have adapted to live through bioluminescence, which is the ability to produce their own light through chemical reactions. The water temperature typically ranges from 4 degrees Celsius to near freezing. Which ancient wonder was said to have contained elaborate tiered gardens with an advanced irrigation system? A. Nazca Lines. B. Bermuda Triangle. C. Giant craters of Siberia. Or D. Hanging Gardens of Babylon. And the answer is D. Hanging Gardens of Babylon. According to ancient writings, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon were built by King Nebuchadnezzar II around 600 BCE. As described, the gardens were elevated to a height of up to 75 feet and were supposedly watered by an early form of chain pump that brought water up from the Euphrates River. Which mysterious region has multiple large depressions in the ground with one crater measuring up to 100 feet or 30 meters in diameter? A. Giant craters of Siberia. B. Nazca Lines. C. Tonga Trench. Or D. Bermuda Triangle. And the answer is A. Giant craters of Siberia. Scientists believe that the giant craters of Siberia, which are mysterious ground depressions, were formed due to the explosive release of methane gas trapped beneath the permafrost. Local residents reported seeing bright flashes and hearing booming sounds before some of these craters appeared, leading to their nickname, Gateway to the Underworld. Which of the following geographic wonder reaches depths of approximately 10,800 meters, or 35,400 feet, and is one of the deepest oceanic features in the world? A. Bermuda Triangle. B. Tonga Trench. C. Ring of Fire. Or D. Aphotic Zone. And the answer is B. Tonga Trench. The Tonga Trench was formed by the subduction of the Pacific Plate beneath the Tonga Plate. It's home to unique deep-sea creatures that have adapted to extreme pressure and darkness. In 2022, the underwater volcano Tonga Ha'apai near the trench produced one of the most powerful eruptions ever recorded in modern history. Which mysterious phenomenon is etched into a desert floor covering approximately 170 square miles or 450 square kilometers? A. Ring of Fire. B. Hanging Gardens of Babylon. C. Giant craters of Siberia. Or D. Nazca Lines. And the answer is D. Nazca Lines. The Nazca Lines, also known as ancient desert geoglyphs, were created between 500 BCE and 500 CE. These geoglyphs include over 300 different figures, ranging from simple lines to complex animal and plant designs, some of which can only be fully appreciated from the air. The lines have remained preserved for nearly 2,000 years due to the region's stable climate and lack of wind. Which mysterious area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean is known for alleged unexplained disappearances of ships, aircrafts, and people? A. Ring of Fire, B. Tonga Trench, C. Bermuda Triangle, or D. Giant craters of Siberia? And the answer is C. Bermuda Triangle. The area of the Bermuda Triangle known for unexplained disappearances is roughly bounded by the Florida coast near Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It covers approximately 500,000 square miles of ocean and is also known as the Devil's Triangle. While popular culture has attributed many disappearances to supernatural causes, scientists have proposed natural explanations including methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor, extreme weather conditions, and human error combined with the area's heavy maritime traffic. Which forest in Poland features hundreds of pine trees that all bend northward at a 90-degree angle at their base, creating an eerie, uniform curve? A. Black Forest, B. Crooked Forest, C. Twisted Woods, or D. Bent Tree Grove? And the answer is B. Crooked Forest. About 400 trees were planted around 1930, and while many believe they were deliberately shaped by humans, the exact technique and purpose remain unknown. Each tree bends sharply at the same height, about 3 feet from the ground, and points in exactly the same direction, north. Which location in Venezuela experiences nearly continuous lightning strikes, averaging 300 days per year of spectacular electrical storms? A. Thunder Peak, B. Storm Valley, C. Lightning Basin, or D. Relámpago del Catatumbo? And the answer is D. Relámpago del Catatumbo. Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, specifically the area where the Catatumbo River meets the lake, experiences this remarkable lightning phenomenon known as Catatumbo lightning, or the everlasting storm. The lightning strikes can happen up to 280 times per hour, with the area producing an estimated 1.2 million lightning strikes annually. Lightning typically occurs during nighttime hours. The phenomenon is so consistent it's used by sailors for navigation and is nicknamed the Lighthouse of Maracaibo. Which of the following is the only place where rainforests grow on sand dunes at elevations over 200 meters? A. Fraser Island, Australia, B. Sable Island, Canada, C. Long Island, Bahamas, or D. Socotra, Yemen? And the answer is A. Fraser Island, Australia. Recently renamed Kari, the traditional Aboriginal name which means paradise, Fraser Island is the world's largest sand island and is located off the eastern coast of Australia, Queensland. Fraser Island, Kari, is the only place where rainforests grow on sand dunes at elevations over 200 meters, a unique ecological phenomenon. And that's a wrap, folks. How did you do? Did you ace these 10 mind-boggling geography questions? Share your scores in the comments and let us know which question stumped you. Whether you aced every question or learned something new, we hope you had fun. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to challenge them too. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our next educational content and adventure. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world, stay curious, and remember, the world is full of wonders just waiting to be discovered. See you in the next video.